Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your credit card account with Citibank, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Citibank website. Log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the account management section. Look for the upgrade options or card management tab. Click on the tab to view available credit card upgrades. Review the different credit card options available for upgrade. Select the credit card that best suits your needs. Carefully read through the terms and benefits associated with the new card. Click on the Apply or Upgrade button next to your chosen card. You may be prompted to verify your identity through additional security questions. Once verified, fill out any necessary application forms. Confirm your personal information is accurate before submission. Submit your upgrade request. Wait for the confirmation message regarding your upgrade status. Check your email for a confirmation from Citibank about your new card. Once approved, your new credit card will be mailed to your registered address. Track the status of your card through your account dashboard. Upon receiving your new card, activate it following the included instructions. Review the new benefits and features associated with your upgraded card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.